Place 5mm packers into the windowsill before placing the outer frame of the secondary unit on top, ensuring it is the correct way round. Please note, the strapping around the unit should not be removed until the unit is installed. Fix the outer frame into the reveal with one screw through the side of the frame. This is to ensure the unit remains stable. Line the transom of the secondary unit with the transom of the existing window by using the packers placed in the sill. Use the centre of the existing window transom as a guide to correctly line the secondary unit. When you have ensured the mullions are parallel with one another, place packers next to the fixing holes as required to secure the frame and to prevent bowing. As a handy tip, open the bottom panel of the unit and measure the internal size from the bottom of the outer frame. This should be the same measurement halfway up the unit. If this isn't the case, use packers to adjust. Check that the panels slide correctly, interlock with each other, and that the push button operates correctly. The frame can now be permanently secured into place. If reveal fixing, secure the outer frame through the pre-drilled holes in the side of the timber subframe. If face fixing, secure the outer frame through the pre-drilled holes in the face of the timber subframe. The strapping around the unit can now be removed.